Today I'm heading into Max Media Lab to their treatment rooms to have the JLo Beauty Booster Hydrafacial. I am a huge fan of Hydrafacial. They are the most satisfyingly effective treatments. They use a special wand with suction and infusion that combines a super deep cleanse, exfoliation and extractions along with the infusion of beauty boosters. I'm here with dermal clinician Marla, who is a big user of Hydrafacial. So today we are doing the deluxe Hydrafacial treatment utilizing the JLo Beauty Booster. So we're going to start with lymphatic drainage, get all of those toxins flowing. You'll be getting a beautiful deep cleanse and extraction of any blockages, a nice removal of all of that superficial dead skin cell build-up. Be infusing lots of beautiful products into the skin as well for hydration, tone, texture, clarity, brightness, including our JLo Beauty Booster, of course, the hero of our treatment. And we will also be including LED light therapy in this treatment as well. Wow. Thank you. So welcome. Jeannie. I'm so happy with the results. My skin is baby's bum smooth and high beam luminosity. The most satisfying thing at the end is looking at all the gunk that has come out of your skin. And I'll be enjoying that JLo glow for weeks.